Check this out, it's even got a gas stove. Well, hello and welcome everybody to the Tuesday Take. And you know, it might be colder outside, winter's on its way, but we still have no snow. So there is still time to get into a one-level, maintenance-free house that's been fully updated. And by fully updated, I mean fully updated. This whole book, this is all the updates that have been done to this house, and it's under $140,000. So come with me and check out this awesome one-level home. Now, couldn't you picture yourself just moving right in? Put your pictures on the wall and your furniture and you're done. Well, thank you everybody for coming, and remember, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.